Alright, let's go. What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. Alright, cool. What up, everybody? What up, Ken and Low Roller? What's up?
Hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate everyone, as always. And Koyo, what's up? Thank you guys for being here. Ken says, damn, yo, I got in HUDI at 68, made 6K in profit. Thank God. Yeah, so I did see that in Discord. I didn't know if you were trolling or what, dude, but it sounds like you're telling the truth. So, risky, ballsy play, but I'm glad it worked out, dude. Are you still in, or did you cut yet, or what? What's the plan? Anyway, congrats to you. Give you the money there. So we'll talk more about HUDI later in the show. We're gonna analyze that. But yeah, myself, I did short that at 102, and I covered at 60, 61. So I made 40%, made almost $1,000 on that, and then I come back a few hours later, like, what the hell's going on? So I went full Chad mode. I literally covered the bottom. No, the bottom was 50. I covered 60. So as good as it's gonna get. And I do plan to go back for round 2 because this is ridiculous. So yeah, you know, bulls and bears making money both sides. Only the apes getting wrecked. Some gain on AFIB from 84 cents in MMAT. All right, cool, dude. Not a bad day. Hopefully, HUDI drop Monday and then another run be nice. Yes, let me short it down. Cover it and then it can run again. Sure, and let's do it again. But nice, Ken. Congrats to you. Glad you made tendies today. I think everyone made tendies today for the most part. Breaking news: Powerball is the largest lottery jackpot in history. USA, it's worth 1.6 billion. Lump sum 800 mil. Yeah, so, yeah, no one won the other day. No one won on Wednesday, right? I usually don't play, but I played the last 2 because if it's over $1 billion, I'll play. And, yep, no one won yet. So someone's going to win. I'm going to play again. Probably get 5 more. I spent $20 so far. I buy 5 tickets each time. So, yep, going to spend $30 on this crap now and not win. But, hey, you never know. Just let me win 1 mil, I'd be happy. Yeah, I'd be happy with $1 million. If I won 1.6 billion, I'd throw it all into my hedge fund. Seriously, that'd be great. Wall Street Bets users should YOLO entire savings to buy a Powerball ticket, have 1 point... No, they should not. Mathematically, that's not smart. Because it's a 292 million, 1 in 292 million chance. So, mathematically, you would have to spend $580 million to win. Yeah, it just doesn't make sense in the long term. So, yeah, lottery is great for the state. It's pretty much, I mean, it is state-sponsored gambling. So someone's going to get lucky, but everyone else is going to get wrecked. What up, Crawford? And what up, Swirls? What's up? A lot of people in here today. Appreciate everyone.
Hey. What's up?
If you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. Okay. How did you get into HUDI at 68? I mean, it went down there, dude. So, you know, it was just very volatile. I was in at 102, covered at 60, and then Ken jumped in at 68, and then it popped all the way back up. So, yeah, you know, catching some fat gains here on both sides, bulls and bears. Cut at 180. What was the high? Let me see here. Wow. High was 193. So, yeah, you pretty much caught the bottom, and you pretty much sold the top. So, super Chad move, Ken. Wow. Yeah, congrats to you. Epic Chad move today. Very happy for you. You got into HUDI at 110, waiting to hit 200. Wow. Yeah, you guys got some balls. I would never. But yeah, you know, 110. That's above where it closed at, and it ran all the way to 180 now. So that's pulling back here in the aftermarket. That's not good. So maybe not financial advice, but Koya, maybe you should consider cutting because it may come back down to 110 before it hits 200. And let me see if I can short this right now. Actually, I mean, I know I probably can't because before they didn't even have contracts. Like I couldn't even put in an order. Maybe now I can actually put in the order. Let me try. No shares, but maybe I can put in the order here. Nope. Still no contracts available for sale. So hopefully I can get that Monday morning or something. But you still can't short it. Yes, man, let it run Monday. Got in 110, nice. Let it tank and then let it run. How about that? Perf, look at it. No short. Yeah, I did see that. Perf. That was another company, and then they became Perf, and then I think it's selling off or something. Can you do tax write-off for your lottery ticket losers? No, dude, you can't do that. Does your YouTube subscriber get reward if you won $1.6 billion? Yeah, sure. Why not? Everyone gets 10K if I win. How's the birthday celebration? It was cool. I mean, honestly, I just worked all day, and then I just went out with my mom. We got sushi. That was nice. But over the weekend, we're gonna do a bigger dinner with my whole family. I just had a small dinner with my mom, but yeah, it was nice. Appreciate that. Played with house money. Can't believe just 50 shares of what? HUDI. Yeah, I only had 23 shares in there. Play with house money, Ty. All right, congrats to you. Yeah, risky stuff, but if it's house money, then why not? And yeah, I mean, you're up pretty big if you're in at 110. So congrats. Yeah, everyone. Bulls and Bears, everyone's making money on HUDI. The only people that got wrecked are the apes. Short it, no share, I bet. Short or trapped. Yes, you're damn right I'm going to short it. But I can't. There are no shares. Hell, yeah, I'm going to short this again, dude. I don't know if the shorts are trapped. I don't know about that. Because if anything, you can just... The shorts with no bankroll are trapped, yes. But a smart short, who has, like, unlimited funds, pretty much, should not be trapped, no. But yes, some of the ape shorts are probably trapped. Use skill game profits by Powerful ticket. All right, nice. So house money. Yesterday I found $4 free bonus when I'm about to go home with $90. Yeah, congrats to you, dude. Sounds like you've been winning lately, low roller. Congrats. How many pounds did I smoke for my birthday? I quit smoking weed, dude. This always happens. I quit for a few months and then I get back on and off and on. So right now I'm not smoking weed. I'm having a very hard time eating and sleeping, I'll tell you that. You can only write off lottery ticket loss if you had lottery ticket wins. Skills with Snoop Dogg. Yeah, I'm not on that level. Even if you win Powerball lottery, every woman want to date you. Most of them, yes, and you should probably stay away from them. You should marry the woman who doesn't know that you won the lottery. If you win the lottery, just don't get married. Just, go get a service provider when you want it. I just pick easy pick since the majority winner in the jackpot. Doesn't everyone just pick easy pick? Whereas these days, she taking a break? Yeah, I think so. Why don't you go message her on Discord or something? Yeah, I think a lot of people, her and Eddie and, IMUX really wrecked their accounts, so. I don't know. I really don't know. I haven't talked to her lately. But, yeah, you can message her on Discord if you want. If I win lottery, I will marry Kim K. No, you should not do that, dude. She is the devil in the flesh. Nah, bro. Nah. No. Please don't. Alright, cool. So, thank you everyone for being here. A lot of people. So, I can already tell it's going to be a great show. Thank you guys. Please smash the like button if you haven't yet. Okay. What do we got? So, yep. Today is Friday, November 4th, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. And today we're doing the show from Tendy Town. Tendy Town, yes. Major tendies today. Crazy day, trading day, actually. SPY, the market was deep in the green, and then it sold off, went in the red, and then now it pumped all the way back in the green, so traders really eating here today. And bulls, I guess. So yeah, what is this market? It's a meme. That's what the whole market's a meme now. So yeah, fun trading day. So I'll share with you guys what I did today. My plays. I made a lot of money today. The best day so far since I've returned in 8 weeks. Pretty much cut all my positions. The only thing I'm holding now is PCVX. Bag holding that one still, but I made some money back on there. So yes, we'll do a live variable bearing, stocks and crypto review. We got 3 articles today. Nothing too crazy happening on the news. So we have one about the Fed predictions. Their predictions on the rate hikes or lack of rate hikes. And then we got some news coming out of Twitter. Elon Musk coming under fire. A lot of companies pulling their ad revenue, and he's getting sued. Twitter's getting sued by ex-employees. So yeah, minor news there. Shouldn't take too long. And then today for the TA, we're gonna do 2 of them. We're gonna do HUDI and SNTG. Those both had major price action today. Made StockTwits. So we'll analyze them both, and they really shouldn't take too long. Well, SNTG has more TA, but HUDI, this one should be pretty straightforward. There's not too many indicators. So, yeah, so 2 TAs, really like 1.5, I guess. Shouldn't take too long. We'll see how that goes. And then we'll get to the Yolos. I think we have quite a few Yolos today. How many Yolos we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 12 Yolos, and they're pretty good. A lot of memes, a lot of gain corn, lost corn. So that should be fun. So, yeah, a lot of content to cover today. Good stuff. Can already tell it's going to be a great show. A lot of stuff to cover, a lot of good content, and a lot of people already in here chatting. All right. Yep, cool. All right, let's go, guys. Catch up on some comments. I have a question. Is it better to trade SPY than what? Than small cap? Well, it depends. If you're loaded, if you're rich and you're loaded and you got like a stupid amount of money, a bankroll to trade SPY, then yeah, you should trade SPY. It's very safe. But unfortunately, most of us do not have millions of dollars and we're not hedge funds, so we can't trade SPY and make a lot of money. So yes, it is better to trade SPY if you're loaded like that, if you got it, which most people don't. It's harder to buy and hold SPY actually. This BS market, the unemployment had gone down and the market rallies off that. Dude, don't try to make any logical sense of the market. It is what it is. just enjoy it. Just trade it, enjoy the tendies. Yeah, nothing makes sense. And don't count on it to make sense. Small gain, but less loss, right? Yeah, less loss, smaller gains, but that's why you have to have more money so you can bet more. So you can make the same amount of money. It's just safer, but you're not going to make any, like, decent amount of money unless you have, like, millions of dollars, let's put it that way. I'm sure it's going to bust next week. The market? Probably, yeah. I'm ready for that. Robin is funny, man. I sell cover call and bought more 800 shares of Bior. Dude, be careful with that. That is the unlimited money glitch. So you may have accidentally discovered the infinite money glitch, which this guy did. Remember this guy? The good guy? So he was the first one to ever discover that. And he did the unlimited money glitch for like, what, 50K on Apple puts, and then he got wrecked. And then recently, I thought they closed it. I thought they figured it out and you couldn't do the infinite money glitch anymore. But then on Wall Street Bets, I'm starting to see people doing the infinite money glitch again. So I guess it's back on. So I guess you like unintentionally did the infinite money glitch there. Just chill out, dude. So yeah, they give you free money, but then if you get margin called, it's gonna go really bad. So be careful, dude. Why Twitter sent email to fire employees? Should they go back old-fashioned by doing face-to-face? If you are gonna get fired or not? No, dude, it doesn't matter. It is what it is. You don't care. Maybe just play 20 share, make 100 a day is good already. So I'll cover call to keep buying. They give me 800 share for free. It's not free, dude. They're just confused. It's not free. That's what I'm saying. Just make sure you don't get margin called. If you get margin called, it's gonna go really bad. Anyway, have fun with that. All right, guys, let's do it. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. All right, let's go. Let me check YouTube. 5 viewers, 6 likes. Thank you, guys. If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. All right, fix this up. Let's do a quick scan. All right, any live rainbow bearing? What's going on? It's 420. Make a wish, guys. All right, not seeing anything. Well, JZ, that was pumping before. Yeah, not really seeing anything happening here. So no live rumble bearing so far. Check JZ. Nope. Okay. Now let's do my plays today. I gotta update this actually. I did not update this. OCFT. Nets. And HUDI. I have cash account, no margin call, Robinhood. Yeah, you have a cash account, but it's still margin, dude. Like, they just don't know it. That's why. Because you trick them. They think it's cash, but it's really margin. So if it goes bad, you will get margin called, dude. Trust me. It happened on Wall Street Bets like a few times already. You don't want to be this guy. Yeah, you have a cash account, but you took margin because they gave it to you by mistake because they didn't know that they don't know that you're tricking them. The infinite money glitch. So it's not free money, dude. It's not free money. Dude, just watch the infinite money glitch. But what happened to this guy? That could be you, so be careful. Okay. Isn't cover called as free premium? Well, it's not free premium, but yeah, you do get premium. But I think what you're doing is the box spread though. It's the infinite money glitch. It's not taking your profits and rolling them. I think at least. Just be careful, dude. All right, let's get on to my plays today. It's pretty hot in here. I'm like, I got layers on, and it's like actually hot out today. It's 70 degrees. Wow. I guess so hot. I'm like sweating. All right. All right. So HUDI, big play today. Crazy stuff. So I shorted that at 102 in the morning, and that went down to 50. And it started going back up. So as soon as it went back up, I was like, yeah, I'm out. So I covered at 60, made a 40% gain there. More than that, I think. But $950 profit. Massive gain there. And you best believe I'm going back. I'm going right back. Shorting that down next week again. And there's OCFT. Shorted this one midday at 94 cents. Covered at 74 cents. And I made quite a bag there. I made 490 there. PCVX. So still bag holding this one. But that went down 4.6% today. 4.64%. So up 135 on that. FRZA. Covered that at 240. In for 244. Covered at 240. So, yeah, I just dumped the bag. So I made a little bit of money there. $40. CNET. Shorted this one midday at 119 and covered at 93, I think. And it went all the way down to like 70. So I could have made a lot more, but yeah, made $505 there. SONN, I was in there at 165, and another one I just wanted to dump the bag. I don't want this one anymore, so I covered at 160, made $65 there. And last one, VRAX, shorted this one yesterday at 230, and this instantly, damn, it went down to 155. Oh crap! Wow. So yeah, shorted that one yesterday at 230, and then in the morning they announced an offering, and it tanked instantly, and it hit my cover at 185. So made 505 there. I could have made a lot more. Could have made 400 more, but oh well. Anyway, so yeah, really big day for me today. The best day I've had since returning to Rainbow Bearing. Overall, I made let's see here, $2,847, almost 3K. Hell yeah, let's go, man. I love Rainbow Bearing, and this was a great day too, all green, and and this is my best day as a Rainbow Bear. Oops. It's the sweater. You got burning up. Oh yeah. I'm wearing layers today. I got the tank top. I got the shirt. I got the sweater. It was not this hot. I don't know why today's so hot. It was like cold as hell all week, and today's 70 degrees, of course. All right. I have no idea. Hack Robinhood. Will you short at 3 a.m.? Always have share, right? Not always, but yeah. If you want the shares, you got to get up early. 4 a.m. Well, for you it'd be what? 1 a.m. something like that. 2 a.m. Not sure. But yeah, dude, like you gotta get up and get those shares. You know. Day trading is no joke. Like the effort you put in is what you get out. So you don't have to get up at 4 a.m., but you're not gonna get the shares. So my ass is up 4 a.m. every single day, and I'm watching the screen until 8 p.m. every single day. It's not a game out here, bro. If you won $1.6 billion, will you take annual payment or lump sum? You should always take the lump sum. Always. It is never a good idea to take annual payment. Always take the lump sum and throw it in the market. And yes, that's what you should do. Whoever takes annual payment is stupid. Can you take a look at AFIB? Is that a mess up company? Sure, we'll look at it. I was gonna short it the other day, but I never hit the thing. 3 a.m. for me. All right, yeah. Then get up, dude. Get up early. Powell Hen is gonna get tired from all your printing. Hey, everyone's printing. Everyone's printing today. Here's how much money you get Powerball after you win the jackpot. Yeah, you win. It's like half. It's like half. So I think it's 800 mil. I checked it. Yeah, it's about half. Yeah, cranking the printing machine. Let's keep it going. Money today is worth more than money tomorrow. Yeah, so if you guys ever hit the lottery, take the lump sum, throw it in the market, throw it in SPY, not meme stocks, not Yolos. Imagine if someone won the lottery and just went FD YOLO. Someone would. Yeah, I thought you make money on AFAB. No, I wanted to, but it never hit the target, so I never got into it. And it already covered. It already filled the gap, so you should get out of there, dude. Cover it. Yeah, it already filled the gap at 78, so if you're still in it, I'd probably cover, dude. Not financial advice. Price action is not there anymore. Although there is another gap to fill here at 57, but just cut it, dude. Just cut it. It's over. They take you the break out each day. You need to look at it. I mean, I believe it, dude. It doesn't matter. It's life-changing money. It does not matter what they take from you. Anyone be happy from that. You sold at 95 cents. All right, congrats to you, dude. Nice gain there. FD Mullen, yeah. Take your $800 million, YOLO it on Mullen. Why not? Mullen doing good? No, Mullen is trash. Mullen is trash. It is down to 28. I didn't think it'd go this low. Then you got these stupid apes on StockTwits, like accumulating, blah 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 blah. Yo, these apes are dumb as hell. Your viewers need to see it. We have a lot to get to today, dude. It's not that big of a deal. They can go check themselves. No one's gonna win anyway, dude. Let's be realistic. No one's gonna win that shit. Oops. Let one slip. Let one slip. Someone's gonna win. It's not gonna be me or you, though. Let's put it that way. Rawa Coco say the shorts will pay. I did look at. I actually did watch Rawa Coco yesterday. I was because all right. Because I was on the Mullen StockTwits, and they were talking about Rawa Coco, and I'm like, what is this idiot up to now? And I looked at it, and bro, this guy is so delusional, and he's like 7K subs now, bro. This guy needs to be banned from YouTube. I was actually thinking about making a hit piece, but that's just not my style, you know. But those videos are popular when you call out other YouTubers, but I don't want to start any beef. But the guy's literally an idiot, and so many people follow him, and I'm like, oh my god, like. Come on, bro. All these apes are just losing their money. He literally was saying stuff like, you know, the shorts are desperate, the shorts are trapped, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, dude, there's 4 million shares available. The short's already covered. No one is trapped. No one is desperate, except you damn apes. That's all it is. So, yeah, that guy is a complete idiot, and I do not know why he's still allowed to be on YouTube. It's really sad. It's just really, really sad. The ape, he's like the leader of the apes, and they all lose money together. It's a cult. I see the short make money. Yeah, the shorts are making. Dude, I shorted Mullen. Was I trapped? Was I desperate? Nah, bro. I was in and out. Easy money. Easy money. Delusional. The shorts are not trapped. The shorts are not desperate. The bulls, the apes are desperate. Delusional, bro. I will go along on Mullen if it hits 15. All right, good luck, dude. I would not recommend that, but okay, dude. He worked for Latin King in Chicago. Don't mess with him. Really? No, you're trolling, dude. Because he seems like such a nice guy. How could he possibly be in a gang? Why Robert Coco do that, making people buy and lose money? Dude, he probably is just a huge bag holder, and he's trying to pump it, and he's trying to dump it on everyone else. That's all it is. You feel bad for Korean chick there? What Korean chick? If you take annual Powerball Jack, dude, no one's taking the annual payment. If you take the annual payment, you're an idiot. He's a registered nurse. So how does he have so much money? Doesn't he drive a nice car and it's probably just projection. He's probably poor as hell, dude. Because all his money is in Mullen and BBIG. Dude, everything this guy shills. Mullen, BBIG, MMAT. What else? These trash stocks. And people just eat it up. Like, he has not one good call. He's not had one good call at all. Everything he mentions just dumps. And he just keeps getting bigger. Like, I hate it so much. But, you know, his channel will get deleted eventually. It's not a good long-term... It's not sustainable long-term. You know, so like me, I tell the truth here. We grow slowly. But I'm going to do this my whole entire career. He'll have a run for a couple of years on YouTube, and he's going to be gone. So whatever. He's a nurse now? So what was he before? Drug dealer? MMAT looking good. Can you take a look when to sell? Now, dude. I'd probably say now. I don't even have to look at it. Yeah, now. It's probably not going higher than 2, dude. Sell anywhere now. If it hits 2, you have to hit the sell button for sure. But right now, RSI's at 84. Now's a good time to exit. It may run to 2, but I highly doubt it's going higher than 2. So now I'd probably sell. Sell now, man. I mean, you don't have to. That's just my opinion, not financial advice. But I'd sell now. After our Coco dude spilling a bunch of BS. Yeah, it's just really sad. It's not just him, but the whole YouTube pump niche is just disgusting. Like as a legitimate financial advisor, it is so disgusting to me, and people are just losing their money, and it's just really sad. And I'm sure if I did make a hit piece on Rara Coco, that would get a lot of views and subs, but that's just not my style. I'm not going to beef with other YouTubers, but I really do have a problem with the way he runs his channel. I want to see if we go up more. All right, dude. Then do a stop. Do a trail stop, I would say. Do a trail stop. 10% trail stop or something like that. So, just understand you are gambling at this point. Now is a really good time to sell. If you want to gamble, go ahead. Just use a stop loss. Use a trail stop. 160? I mean, that's kind of low, dude. You're going to get stopped out. Maybe 150. This is what I would do. Set a sell at $2 and set a stop at 150. That's probably how I would go about it. So worst case, you sell 150. Best case, $2. Okay. Can I short HUDI now? Let's try again. Oh, crap. They let me put in the order. Hold up. So there's no shares, but I can actually put in the order now. All right, let me put in the order real quick. All right, modify. Um, 19. 18. All right, let's go for 19 shares. I'll set it 125. All right, so I'm able to submit the order now, and hopefully I get filled here. Before I couldn't even submit the order. Now I can submit the order. Nice. All right, give me the fill. I want this again. Cool. What if HUDI go to 1K? I highly doubt it, but if it does, then I'm going to get stopped out. Fine. But highly unlikely. Highly unlikely. And especially because it's pulling back in the aftermarket here. That means next week it's going to sell off. It's not going to 1K, dude. Highly unlikely. Dude, OCFT is booning again. What the hell? Bro, let me check something real quick. OCFT. Wow. It did not get back down there. Why is this saying? All right, I'm going to reshort OCFT if it hits 94. All right, order in OCFT. 94 cents. Going back for it. Hopefully you can get more share Monday, 3 a.m. Yep, you got to be up, dude. Is Perf bad news? Is Perf a bad shorts? What's the news? Yeah, don't short this. Don't short this. Hell no, don't short this. I wouldn't, at least. I mean, there's really no data to go off of. You can't even analyze this. There's no news. They just, it used to be another company, and then they merged and they formed this new company, Perf. So I think it's just a sell-off. You can kind of think of it as like a reverse split that happened. So there's no news, but yeah, the news was that they became, the old company became this new company, and then you could think of it as a reverse split, so people are dumping. Okay, cool. Let's do another scan here. SNTG is pulling back. We're already 40 minutes in. We wasted a lot of time just chilling. That's right. Gonna be a pretty long show today. Probably 2 hours. Something like that. Yeah, perfect's pumping. Interesting. Alright, nothing going on. Cool, let's get to the watch list. We gotta speed it up here. Way behind, way behind. Which one is it? This one. Cool. HUDI and SNTG are pulling back. I gotta lower my entry here. Okay. Cool, let's do it, guys. Alright, so the Dow Jones up 1.26%. NASDAQ up 1.56%. And the S&P up 1.44%. So, yeah, massive day here today in the stock market. Really big green day. Let's go. And really, everyone should have been eaten. Bulls eaten, boomers, apes, bears. Everyone should have been eaten today. Plenty to go around. Let's look at FCY real quick, because this was absolutely nuts. Yeah, look at this. What the hell is that? What is this chart, bro? So, SPY is a meme now, guys. So, look, massive sell-off to start the day. Ripped all the way back up. Dumped all the way back down again. And then ripped all the way back up. What the hell is that? What is that? SPY is not supposed to move like that. That is insane. But hey, that's the market nowadays. Literally everything is a meme. Everything is a meme. This is insane. Like, it went deep green, deep red, deep green, deep red, and then deep green again. Absolutely nuts. I can only imagine what the the options people were like today. All right, back to this. VIX is down 2.96%. Down 0.75 points. So we're at 24.55 VIX now. Nice, nice. So we are slowly making our way back down to 20 VIX. So 24.55, not the greatest, but a lot better than we were before. A lower article for what? We're very behind, dude. So I don't think we have time for that. Okay. All right, let's get onto the watch list. Got to speed it up here. It's not on the red side, actually. Not going to spend too much time here. So, yeah, DraftKings. I saw this. Wow. What the hell happened in DraftKings? So, I know they had earnings and stuff, but... yeah, that's really nasty. It's down 28% on DraftKings. So, I used to be really bullish on DraftKings. I sold it at 45. Thank God. But damn, it's at 11 now? Bro, come on. That's crazy.
Bruh.
Only one article today? Alright, fine, we'll look at it. What else we got here? Yeah, of course, Mullins down 6.9%. AVCT, still getting wrecked. AVCT reverse split, and they're gonna have to reverse split again, bro. Yo, AVCT, RIP. They literally just reverse split, right? And it's at $1.06 now. They're gonna reverse split again. Yo, I told all these damn apes to sell. And no, don't listen to this idiot. Blah, 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 blah. I don't feel bad. What else we got here? XCLA, another Raw Cocoa stock. Canopy Growth. Damn, Paramount's getting wrecked. Down at 15 now. I used to be big on Paramount, too. Sold that at, like, 40. Tesla's down. Novavax. Yeah, Tesla's down pretty big. Tesla's been getting wrecked lately. SoFi. Netflix down 3%. BBIG. Another Raw Cocoa stock. Literally everything Raw Cocoa. Just, he's the new Jim Cramer, dude. He's worse than Jim Cramer. Short AVCT? Hell no, dude. Hell no. No. Way too late for that. Way too late. I mean, you can if you want. You probably will go down, but... way too late in my opinion. What up, Punk Skater? What's up?
Hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you as always. How volatile is SPY? Yes. Yes. Puts or calls? Yes. 135 support on Apple? We could take a look at that, but, you know, Apple is Apple. I wouldn't even worry about support and resistance. Apple is good no matter what. Is Rawa Coco the king of bag holder? Yeah, you can think of it that way. Leader of the bag holding cult. Literally, his whole community is just bag holders. They're just dumb apes who made bad investments, and now they're all just like circle jerking each other. It's gonna squeeze. It's gonna squeeze. Shorts are desperate. Shorts are desperate. Please, bro. Guy's delusional. Delusional. They should come here. Yeah, shorts are trapped. Yep, I was so trapped. I was so trapped. I was so desperate. Please, bro. Ain't nobody trapped. There's 4 million shares available. Ain't nobody trapped. Everyone already covered, actually. Shorts are trapped. They will get margin. Yeah, he said that. They're going to get margin called. Right, right. He did say that. Yep. You sure taught me. Yep. I was so close to getting margin called. I had to cover. I was panicking. Please, bro. Guy's an idiot. All right. They should not come here, actually, unless they're willing to change. So I'm not lying. Sad stuff. All right, let's finish up here. So there's actually a decent amount of stuff on the red here. Mostly growth and memes, though, and Tesla. Not too much value. Yeah, just memes and Netflix. Oh, Apple's in the red, though. Not by much. So yeah, not much in the red here. Just a few select memes and growth and some value. No one wants to lose money, man? Well, then why do you listen to Rawa Coco? No one wants to lose money. I don't know why they keep listening to that guy. Okay, on the green side, what do we got here? Neo, 17.5%. Wow. Yeah, the Chinese stocks did really good today. Neo, XPeng, even MMAT, 11.7%. Crypto stocks doing really well. I think crypto did well today. There's Square, they had earnings, right? Baidu, another Chinese stock there. ASTS, 8%. We have an epic YOLO about this later. Stay tuned, guys. But yeah, damn, Nike 6%. Nvidia 5.5, Coinbase 5.4. Yeah, a lot of value in the green here. Yeah, Alibaba, Nike, I already said that. Google 3.8%. Wow. Yeah, AMD, TD, eBay, Intel Gold. Yeah, this is just a lot of value in the green. Value is printing today. Meta, 2%. Amazon, 1.9%. Pfizer, Exxon, pretty much everything. All the value deep in the green today. So yeah, that would do it. So it seems like growth wasn't that crazy. But definitely value leading the way here today. Boomer stocks mooning, absolutely mooning today. Well, to finish. Today was up and down, up and down. But yeah, crazy day. But really, everyone should have won today. Ape should have won. Boomer should have won. Bear should have won. The only people that got wrecked were the apes. No sympathy. All right, bots are coming in. Bots are coming in. Cool. Welcome, bots. Glad to have you back. Where you been? Not Fubo this time? It's Riot. Okay. All right, look at Apple. Nvidia, December 16th. 142 call, sell, 150 gap on my watch list. All right, let's look at Apple and Nvidia. Yes, Slow Roller, that is a bot. Yes, he's a bot. Okay, support. Yeah, 135 looks like critical support. Critical support. But so is 138 is also critical support. So yeah, 138 and then 135 critical support. But it's Apple, you know. I wouldn't worry about the stock. And Nvidia, December 16th, 142. 150 gap. All right, I see what you're talking about. Is this a gap? There's also another gap here at 142. But be careful, there's another gap. There's a gap up, actually, also at 127. So a little bit risky, but it does look bullish. It does look bullish in the short and long terms. So you got, a month and a week to go, something like that? A month and 2 weeks. So, good luck, dude. Hope it works out. And if it does, you're going to print some fat tendies. Good luck, dude. Shorts are trapped in Tide. Haven't heard about that one in a while. Shorts are trapped in everything. Shorts are desperate. Okay. So that's the stock market, guys. Good stuff. Basically just a bunch of boomer stuff mooning today. All right, let's do a quick scan again, then we'll get to crypto and the news. I know I got trapped in IMUX. I don't think you guys really got trapped in there. I think you guys just panicked. You know, it just comes with experience. I was chilling the whole time. I'm like, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. So I think that was just the kind of inexperience, you know. You guys panicked, unfortunately. Really sucks, because you guys should have made so much if you just held on a few more days. All right, not seeing anything here. East. All right, nothing going on here. You made back on HUDI, yeah. I'm glad you're still going, because I think Eddie and these days got wrecked. All right, let's do a scan here, and then let me pull up the news and crypto. All right, so it's just perf. All right, nothing going on. Yeah, HUDI is pulling back quite a bit. You got more balls? Yeah. You do have balls, I give you that. a lot of people here in the community does have balls. All right. All right, let me pull up the news. Oops. Crypto. And news. Bullish on interest rates, lol. Yeah. That's a given. That's a given. Which is not good. Means all your loans are going to get higher. Mortgage, car note, everything. Personal loans, credit cards, college. Everything going to get more expensive. IMUX, I was okay for a week, but next is frustrating. That's why. Yeah, dude. That's how it goes, you know. I've been holding PCVX for a minute here, a couple of weeks. Maybe not a couple of weeks, but quite a bit longer than I wanted to, and it's finally starting to go down. It just comes with being a bear, you know. You got to know when to cut, when to diamond hands. Most of the time, you should diamond hand. But I understand, it is very frustrating. That's why you got to watch your bet sizing. You got to manage your bankroll correctly to where it doesn't really affect you if one play goes bad. All right, let's get to crypto here. Wow, big day in crypto. So crypto's up 4.61% today. Nice. Everything's printing. And I am still holding quite a bag in crypto, so this is very nice. Short the house market. That'd probably work. It's just not not as volatile, so you probably won't make as much money. What stock is house market? You can look up REITs. Just Google REITs. REIT. Best REITs. Put it that way. They're pretty much like ETFs for real estate. Bitcoin back to 21K. Yeah, very nice. So yeah, so let's take a look. Bitcoin up 4.1%, back to 21K. Looks like critical support there. Ether, big day. 6.3%, 6.7%. At 1640 now. Binance, big day. 7.3%. Big day for everything. XRP, 6%. Doge is pulling back. So I was pretty mad about Doge because I sold it at like 13 and then it went up to 15 and now it's back at below 13, so I'm not too upset anymore. But yeah, dumped the bag of Doge. Yeah, a lot of price action here. Cardano, Solana over 7%. Polygon, big day, 23.5%. Sheep 5%. Polkadot 8%. Whole bunch of green. A lot of price action. I don't see too much red here. There's Leo in the red. He will be. Let's sort this out, but I really don't see too much red. Are you still selling Dogecoin, but Elon Musk will do something Dogecoin on Twitter? I already sold Dogecoin, dude. I'm out. I don't want that piece of shit anymore. I'm going off the rails today. I keep cursing. Can you show me how to trade crypto in IBKR? I actually don't know, dude. I've never traded crypto in IBKR. And you probably shouldn't trade crypto in IBKR. Because you can only trade like 5 coins. It's really bad. So, yes. Elon Musk may do something with Doge and Twitter, but I'm not sticking around to see it. I'm out. I don't want to hold Doge anymore. That was a nightmare. Alright, here comes the siren, guys. My apologies. Going to talk over it. Alright, so, red side first. Barely anything in the red here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got a whole 6 coins in the red. Wow, that is loud. Got a whole 6 coins in the red here. So we'll call it 95% of the coins in the green, 5% in the red. And biggest loser is Leo, 5%. And then Huobi, 2.8, Doge 2. Yeah, really not much on the red side. So crypto's been mooning lately. Very nice. Huge bull day for crypto. Yeah, on the green side, so 95% of the coins in the green. A lot of price action, a lot of double-digit stuff here. Biggest gainer is Loop Ring, really? Why? It's weird. Didn't people like Loop Ring because of GME? Don't know what's happening there. Polygon, 23%. Immutable X. Where's Marvin when you need him? Remember, Marvin used to really like that stock. Terra Classic? Bruh, really? Chainlink, Ave, and Curve DAO, and Lido. So we're not going to go through everything, but pretty much everything mooning in crypto, everything going right. Most of the coins in the green, all the value in the green, major price action, and barely anything in the red. So massive, massive day here in crypto. And crypto is, hey, maybe it's starting to recover, hopefully. But yeah, overall, guys, there you have it. Massive day in the stock market. Crazy volatile day in the stock market, but we finished very deep in the green, and great day here in crypto. So overall, you know, everyone should have been printing today. Hope you guys made some fat tendies. Bulls printing, boomers, bears printing. Like I said, the only people that really should have lost money today are the apes, because the apes are just professional bag holders. All right, cool. You should option call like Dogecoin, like Bitcoin option you do, but there are none, dude. There are no Doge options. Imagine if there were. Oh my god. That seems like a really, really bad idea. So I would, yes, but I think for the sake of the greater good of mankind, you know, we should not have Doge options. That would be insane. Please no, please no. Okay, cool. Let's get on to the news today, guys. So, yep. So once again, we got. Well, let me pull up Low Roller's thing here. Oh, hold up. It says Peasy banned the bot. Peasy's here? Where you at, Peasy? You ain't say nothing. What up, Peasy? Lurking as usual. That's cool. What up, Peasy? I see you. All right. Let's see. Apes will salivate over Dogecoin options. Yeah, and they're gonna blow up their account. Robinhood. Oh my god, because Robinhood already does half their revenue on Dogecoin and the other half on options. So imagine you had Doge options. Crazy stuff. Oh, could you imagine? It's probably gonna be a thing in the future too. That's gonna be pure entertainment. Pure entertainment. All right. Yeah. What up, Peasy? Okay. So once again, guys, we got 4 articles today. One about the Fed and their predictions for the future on rate hikes, and we got 3 about Elon Musk and Twitter. So a lot of he just took over. A lot of drama. A lot of drama. The bot got banned. He the real person? He's not a real person, dude. I don't think we banned him either. He just deleted the message. It's okay. But no, it definitely is a bot. Anything Fubo or Riot is a bot for sure. Okay. And then we got one thing from Low Roller. Lottery thing. All right, let's do it. Fed officials Barkin and Collins see possibility for slower rate hikes ahead. All right. Regional Fed presidents Thomas Barkin and Susan Collins both indicated Friday they think more interest rate increases are needed, but maybe at not such an aggressive pace. I think the implication for that is probably a slower pace of increases, a longer pace of increases, and a potentially higher point. Wait, what? So do you want slower or longer? Interesting. So they don't want to hike it. They don't want to hike it every month, maybe every 2 months, but they want to hike it higher. So maybe every 2 months a 1% hike instead of 0.75 every month. I'm assuming. Collins said the Fed needs to examine the risk of over-tightening against stopping too early in the fight against inflation. Okay, so a couple things here. So even if they do slow the pace, but they increase the rate, that is not pivoting. That is not pivoting, as everyone says that they're going to do. That's just changing things up. That's not pivoting at all. So I don't think we're going to pivot. I don't know where this is coming from. Everyone says pivot. I don't think we're going to pivot. Who knows? Maybe I'm wrong. Anyway, so yeah, the Fed, they say stuff and they do exactly what they say, and then everyone's like, oh my God, like they think they're lying or something. So yeah, it appears like in the future there's a good chance that we're not going to get as many hikes, but we're going to get bigger hikes. So prepare for 1% plus increase every 2 months instead of like a 0.75 every month. Either way, it's good. Either way, it's good. Okay. The only person that got banned was Kroger. You got jokes, Peasy. Definitely not pivoting. I agree, bro. Yeah, like the Fed literally said, we are committed to fighting inflation. Are you gonna pivot? No. We're gonna be aggressive. And then they come out and they hike it, and everyone's like, oh my God, what the hell? Like they said they did exactly what they said they were gonna do. Why you mad, bro? Pivot is BS, dude. Yeah, there ain't no pivot, dude. Ain't no pivot. Should FOMO win a Dogecoin? God, no. Why trust the Fed? When has that worked? The Fed doesn't lie. Like, bro, people are just irrational and stupid. It's crazy. The markets are irrational. Pivot fam, watch this. You're gonna like this meme later. Uh, people want to fight inflation with more inflation. They want another stimulus check. So fight inflation with inflation. Good idea. Pivot fam? Nah, watch this. Alright, let's move on to Twitter. So we got a few articles about Twitter here. So we'll read them all, and then I'll give my take on it. So Elon Musk says Twitter has had massive revenue drop as advertisers pause spending. Twitter has suffered a massive drop in revenue because of advertisers pausing spending on the social media platform. Twitter and Tesla CEO Elon Musk said Friday without providing numbers. Major companies including General Mills, Audi, and General Motors said they would temporarily pause their ad spending on Twitter to see how things would change under Musk's ownership. Twitter's ad revenue has been on the decline before Musk's takeover was complete and before civil society organizations began pressuring brands, according to ad analytics from Media Radar. All right. Adding on to that, civil rights leaders call for all advertisers to stop spending on Twitter. Why? What did he do? Is he getting canceled? What did Elon Musk do? They're just mad that Twitter's not super left-wing anymore, are they? That's what it is. They're not for the super left-wing anymore. Twitter's actually, like, freedom of speech now. Legit. Respect to Elon Musk. He's going to unban Trump. He's going to unban Kanye. Which, you know, I think they're pretty nuts, but you can't ban people. Like, that's Anyway, let's get to this. All right, a coalition of civil rights groups, which sent a letter this week to companies urging them to voice their concerns to new Twitter owner Elon Musk, is now asking them to stop advertising on the platform. Jessica Gonzalez, co-CEO at Free Press, said that when she spoke to Musk earlier this week, he seemed genuine, but his actions have betrayed his words. What did he do? Musk tweeted on Friday that Twitter suffered a massive drop in revenue because of activist pressure. Like actually, what did the guy do? You're mad that he unbanned Trump? You're mad that he unbanned Kanye? That he actually believes in free speech? I don't get it. Let's see here. All right, so they sent letters to Apple, Amazon, Capital One, Coke, Disney, Procter & Gamble. All right, so they see increased offensive and hate speech. No, it's just someone's opinion that you don't like. That's called freedom of speech. Okay, yeah, so that's what's happening. So Musk is for free speech. He's unbanning everyone who they don't like and letting everyone say whatever the hell they want, which is perfectly fine, right? That's what it should be. So he's uncensoring the left censorship, and the left is mad about that now. So they're trying to cancel Twitter and Elon Musk. This is sad. This is really, really sad. Right before the election too, before the midterms. Yeah, you know, clown world. This is crazy. You can't win. So, you know, respect to Elon Musk. Keep doing you, bro. F these people. You know, he's doing the right thing. Yeah, he doesn't need ad revenue. All right, and Twitter sued by employees after mass layoffs begin. 5 current or former Twitter employees sued the company Thursday, alleging it violated federal and California laws by failing to give enough notice about ongoing mass layoffs. Twitter will inform staffers Friday of their job status, and it's expected to fire about 3,700 employees. Later. Yeah, probably because they just waste a bunch of money on employees for no reason. The layoffs are commencing just after Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk took control of Twitter. So why is he getting sued? They were not given notice under California law that they had lost their jobs. All right, so it's a money grab. Got you. Class action lawsuit. So he informed employees Thursday evening that it would lay off, and they got fired the next day. All right, so basically it's a money grab. That's what I'm getting from this. Really sad. You just let the man run his company. This is crazy. Kyrie Irving got suspended 5 games. Yeah, the Nets are a dumpster fire. So dysfunctional, more dysfunctional than the Knicks. It's crazy. So I hope they can pull it together, but it is not looking good for the Nets. Although the coach, Ime Udoka is actually a good coach, but he has his own problems. Steve Nash was a terrible coach. So I hope they turn it around, but it is a dumpster fire. Okay. Last article. What is this? Lottery lawyer Jay Curlin convicted of defrauding big jackpot winner. Of course. Was another Michael Avenatti. So he robbed 107 million from lottery winners. Yeah, you're not going to read the whole thing, but yeah. So the lottery lawyer, massive fraudster. So he stole 107 mil. Hopefully they make him pay it back, because that's disgusting. Don't hire him if you... Well, I think he's going to jail now. I think he's going to lose his license, so you can't hire him. Okay. Cool, what time is it? 5:10. So we're a little bit behind. We caught up quite a bit, but we're behind about 10 minutes now. So we're on to the TA. Cool. Let's do another scan first. Wow, Perf is mooning. Perf is mooning. Alright, scan. Damn, Kathy Wood really has to start OnlyFans now. Roku got clobbered. Yeah, and DraftKings, dude. DraftKings. She was so big on DraftKings. They got wrecked today. Bruh. Everything she chooses. Skills, everything got wrecked. So, yeah. Laughing stock of Wall Street. No respect. She's almost as bad as Rara Coco. Everything you choose just goes to zero. Okay, still nothing going on here. Oh, excuse me, guys. Everything pumped except the wood stocks. You know what's funny, though? The meme index, like MEME, the meme ETF, literally is just like ARK K. It's like very similar to ARK K. It's pretty hilarious and sad at the same time. All right, nothing going on here. So let's get right into the TA. Cool. Oops. HUDI. Notes. It is back up to 145 now. Gotta draw 2 more here. Oops. Okay. Yeah, there's really nothing, no TA here. All right, gonna take a quick drink and we'll get started. Let me pull up the news though. All right, let's do it. Strategic plan to enter. Okay. So here is HUDI, Huadi International. This finishes at $180 today. That is up 70.26%. Where is my winning?
Winning.
Yeah, alright, that's fine. Oh, let's give it the money too. I'll choose which meme to use later. Okay. So we're not going to do a full TA on this stock because there's not too many indicators. But in my opinion, this one is pretty straightforward. And before we get into it, full disclosure, I did short the stock today at 102. I covered at 60 for a 40% gain. And I plan to short this again next week. But I currently do not have a position. So this may be a bit biased, but I'm telling... So this may be a bit biased, but... this is honestly my personal opinion. This is honestly my personal and professional opinion. So what a crazy stock. This started squeezing yesterday on news that they plan to get into the clean energy business, whatever that means. So really good PR. And that in turn caused a momentum pump / short squeeze. It hit the high of 130 yesterday, finished at 105. And today we got some crazy price action. This pulled back all the way down to $50 and then ran up to the high of 193 and finishes at 180. So crazy price action, and it appears like it's not, and it appears like the squeeze is not over just yet. Let's see here. This was number 3 on StockTwits today. Had 4,400 mentions. So we're going to analyze it. Okay. We have here. Okay. So first of all right, let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze here. So first of all, gotta zoom in actually. All right. So first of all, the RSI, the Relative Strength Index, is currently at 88. So this is pretty deep in overbought and overvalued territory. So be careful, guys. So be careful, guys. So the RSI is a bearish indicator that is telling us that the current price of 180 should be a lot lower. Let me switch this up. On the MACD, here on the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence, the MACD line has crossed the signal line and is moving to the upside. So that's a bullish indicator that is telling us that it may be time to buy. Okay. And in the aftermarket here, this is pulling back down to 140. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bearish indicator for Monday. That is suggesting that Monday the stock will sell off. Okay. So that's all we got. 3 indicators. But the bearish indicators in the RSI and aftermarket action are very strong. Damn ambulance. And the MACD is currently bullish, but the MACD is a lagging indicator. So I don't think that indicator is very strong. So personally, to me, this stock is starting to look extremely bearish. Actually, we'll save that for later. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the link to the chart is in the description down below. All right. So right now this is sitting on the support of 180, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next level of resistance would be 192. Yep. 192 is the all-time high. So there's no resistance after that. That would be uncharted territory. So if this breaks 192, this can go absolutely mooning to the upside. And to the downside, next levels of support would be 130, 106, 79.55. Yeah, actually. 80, 68, 59, 50, 39, 35, 33, 30, 28, 26.50, 25, 23, 22, 20, 18, 16, 14, 9, 'What is that? $360. What is this one? Yeah, 9, 670. Why is this the same price level? Yeah, whatever. 670 and then 360. 360 is the all-time low, so no support below that. So right now with the current price, 180, the channels to the upside and the downside are extremely wide. So expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 35 to the downside, the channel starts to narrow. So expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this breaks 35 to the downside. And this did 1.2 million in volume today, which is way above the average of 250,000. And this is the third biggest volume day of the year. So this pump/squeeze today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So there's not too many indicators to go off of, but personally, in my opinion, this is pretty clear cut to me. The squeeze isn't over just yet, but it looks like it's coming to an end. But it looks like it will come to an end very shortly. This may have a little bit more room to run, but sooner or later, this will come crashing down hard. We have very strong bearish indicators in the RSI and aftermarket action. And this did hit the all-time high, which usually is bearish. We have one bullish indicator in the MACD, but that's a lagging indicator. So I don't think that indicator is that strong. So therefore, so if you're currently still in the stock, I think this is a great time to hit the sell button, cash in your gains, lock in your profits. If you get too greedy, you're going to lose your money. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. It is way too late to go long here. You missed your chance. Should have went long anywhere at 100 and lower. And here at 180, it's a bit too late to go long. You already missed all the upside potential. And like I said, it's probably going to come crashing down from here. So it's pretty hard to tell how high this may go and how low this may go, because again, we don't have too many indicators. But personally, I really don't think this is gonna go too much higher, maybe to 200. So from the current price of 180, that'd be about a 10% upside potential. And to the downside, there is some critical support at 35. So this probably will pull back down to 35 in the short term. Possibly even lower. So from the current price of 180, that would be an 80% downside potential. So I would say going long at the current price, 180 would be a high risk, low reward play. Doesn't make any sense to go long at this point, in my opinion. So I don't like the current entry of $80. So I don't like the current entry of 180 on the long side. But if / when this comes back down to 35, where the critical support is, I think that would be a pretty good entry to go long. Yeah, so I don't like the current price of 180, but I can't support going long at $35 and lower. Now, if you want to go short now, financial advice, seems like a pretty excellent play to me. Again, very strong bearish indicators. Hit the all-time high today. And as with every short squeeze, It will have to come crashing down. Just a matter of when, not if. Should have said this before. Someone is going to get caught holding the bag. Make sure it's not you. All right. Cool. What was I saying? All right. So again, in the short term, I really don't think this is going to go too much higher. Maybe 200, which is about a 10% upside potential. And there is some pretty massive downside potential here. Again, $35 critical support, which would be about an 80% downside potential. So I would say going short at the current price, 180, would be a low risk, high reward play. Definitely worth a shot in my opinion. You really can't go too wrong here. Not so much more upside potential and a massive amount of downside potential. So this is a clear-cut, excellent short play. There's still a little risk involved because this is still short squeezing, but it should come to an end very soon. So as long as you're able to withstand a little bit of upside pressure here, you should be able to make a massive gain here on the downside. So I can't support going short at the current price, 180. And I would cover at 35, where the critical support is, and that should be a pretty easy fat 80% downside gain. So yeah, guys, in summary, crazy price action. Congrats to all the apes. If you haven't sold yet, please sell. Don't get too greedy. Secure your gains, lock in the profits. Really bad idea to go long here. You missed your chance. You're probably gonna get burned. And this looks like an excellent short play at the moment. A lot of tendencies to get to the downside. Yeah, I should have said that too. If you go long here at 180, you're probably going to get burned. Okay. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today, and good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is HUDI Huadi International. Okay. Time is it? 5:32. All right, so we probably going to get out of here at like 6:15 or 6:30. All right. Cool. We got one more to do. SNTG. Let me check YouTube real quick. We're at 4 viewers, 8 likes now. So, still a decent amount of people here. Appreciate everyone who's still here.
I appreciate you.
All right. Let's do SNTG. All right. So here is SNTG Sentage Holdings. This finishes at $4.09 today. That is up 34.54%. Huh? Why is it not? Hold on. Meme's not cooperating. There we go. And... So here's another crazy stock that's been short squeezing for the past few days. This went all the way from $2 to the high of $6 today. So crazy price action. Let's see. This was number 6 on StockTwits today. Had over 3,500 mentions. So today we're going to analyze it. So there's no company-specific news to justify this price action today. This just seems very retail-driven. And I can't confirm this, but apparently there is some manipulation going on within Discord servers and StockTwits and stuff. A lot of spamming, a lot of botting. But yeah, this is definitely a retail pump / squeeze. So we should be able to do a better TA on this stock. Than HUDI. There are a good amount of indicators here. All right, let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze here. Let's see. So first of all, we have a... Actually, yeah, bullish stuff first. So first of all, we have a... we have an ascending channel here. So first of all, we have an ascending channel here. Where the upper channel is at 370 and the lower channel is at 275. So if this broke 370 to the upside, that'd be bullish. And if this broke 275 to the downside, that'd be bearish. This did, in fact, break 370 to the upside. So the ascending channel was and still currently is a bullish indicator. Okay. MACD. Down here, down here on the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence, the MACD line has crossed the signal line to the upside and is pulling away. So that's a bullish indicator that is telling us that it may be time to buy. The RSI, the relative the relative strength index is currently at 82. So that is pretty deep in overbought and overvalued territory. So be careful, guys. So the RSI is a bearish indicator. So the RSI is a bearish indicator that is telling us that the current price of 409 should be a lot lower. Okay. We have a cup and handle that has developed here. Not a perfect cup and handle, but it looks like the top of the cup was the high today at 596. So that's a bearish indicator. Because the next step in the cup and handle is to pull back and form the handle. 2, 6, 4. So based on the high of 6 and the low of 2, the handle should form somewhere around $4, which it's currently at. In the aftermarket here, this is pulling back down to 380. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bearish indicator for Monday. That is suggesting that the stock will sell off. And we also have a double gap up. First gap up was created today, back at 325. So that's a bearish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should pull back down. That is telling us that the stock should pull back down to 325 to fill that gap. And the second gap up was back at 72 cents. So another bearish indicator that is telling us that the stock should eventually come back down to 72 cents to fill this gap. But it seems like the first gap will fill in the short term and the second gap will fill in the longer term. Okay, I think I got everything there. Yes. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So I guess we'll go to 6 and 2. Okay. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of $4.15 and $4. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be $4.15, $4.45, $4.85, $5, $5.70, $5.95, and then $6.55. There is resistance above $6.55, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be $4, $3.85, $3.75, $3.60, $3.50, $3.35, $3.30, $3.20, $3.10, $3.05, $3.95, excuse me, $2.95, $2.85. Wow. $2.80, $2.75, $2.70, $2.65, $2.60, $2.50, $2.45, $2.40, $2.35, $2.30, $2.25, $2.20, $2.10, $2.05, and then $2. There is support below $2, but we're not going to discuss that right now. So right now at the current price, 409, the channels to the upside and the downside are very wide. So expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if/when, let's see here. $280. However, if/when this breaks 280 to the downside, the channel starts to narrow, so expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this breaks 280 to the downside. And this did 35 million in volume today. Yep. Very significant volume. Biggest volume day ever for the stock. So this pump/squeeze today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So just like HUDI, this stock also seems pretty bearish to me. Again, we have bearish indicators in the cup and handle, double gap up, and aftermarket action. And again, we have bullish indicators in the MACD and descending channel. So more bearish indicators than bullish indicators. And the bearish indicators are quite strong. I don't think the bullish indicators are that strong. And again, as with every short squeeze, it will have to come crashing down, just a matter of when, not if. So if you're currently up, don't be afraid to hit the sell button, secure the gains. Okay. Comes a damn siren. Almost done with this. I can't tell if the siren's coming this way or going the other way. Oh, it's coming this way. One second, guys. Gonna mute. My apologies. Alright. Okay. Back to this. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. You should have went long anywhere below $3. And here at 409, it's a bit too late to go long. I think you missed your chance. You already missed a lot of upside potential. And it's starting to look very bearish. So going long here would probably result in you getting burned. I don't even think I don't think this is gonna pump anymore to the upside. I think it's done. I think the squeeze is done. And it's pulling back now. So let's see here. Yeah, critical resistance. How high can this go? So in the short term, theoretically this could come back up to $6. To complete the cup and handle. Although very unlikely, so take that with a grain of salt. But from the current price of 409, that would be about a 45% upside potential. So theoretically, a lot of upside potential here in the short term. But again, highly unlikely. And again, in the short term, this should pull back down to 325 to fill the gap there. And from the current price of 409, that would be about a 20% downside potential. Oh, I missed one. Oh. My bad. No. Yeah, I did miss one. Yes. The second gap down was back at 215. So another bearish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back down to 215 to fill this gap. And the third gap down was back at 72 cents. So another bearish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back down to 72 cents. Should come back down to 72 cents to fill this gap. The The gap's at 325, and 215 should fill in the short term, and the gap back at 72 cents should fill in the longer term. Okay. Right. All right. And again, in the short term, they should pull back down to 215 to fill the gap there. And from the current price of 409, that would be about a 50% downside potential. So theoretically, going long at the current price, 409 would be a high risk, high reward play. Although realistically, I think it would be more like a medium risk. Well, excuse me. Although theoretically, I think it would be more like a. Although realistically, I think it would be more like a high risk, medium reward play. Not really worth it, in my opinion. Like I said, I think it's a bit too late, and going long here would probably result in you getting burned. So going long here is a straight up gamble right now, not an investment. So if you guys want to gamble, go ahead, but I don't recommend that. So I don't like the current entry 409 on the long side. But if when this does come back down to 215 to fill the gap, then I think that would be a pretty good entry to enter on the long side. So I don't like the current entry of 409, but I can support going long at 215 and lower. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, seems like a pretty good play to me. Again, more bearish indicators than bullish indicators. Very strong bearish indicators. Again, as with every short squeeze, it's going to have to come crashing down. Just a matter of when, not if. So it's only a matter of time before this pulls back significantly to the downside. Again, in the short term, this theoretically can come back up to 595 to complete the cup and handle, which would be about a 45% upside potential. And again, in the short term, this should come back down to 215 to fill the gap there, which would be about a 50% downside potential. So theoretically, going short at the current price 409 would be a high risk, high reward play. But realistically, I think it's more like a medium risk, high reward play. Definitely worth a shot in my opinion. As long as you're able to withstand a decent amount of upside pressure here, this should eventually pull back down to 215 to fill the gap. And that would be some pretty fat tendies on the downside. So I can't support going short at the current price, 409. And again, I would cover at 215 where the gap is, and that should be a relatively easy fat 50% downside gain. Okay. So in summary, guys, crazy price action the past few days. Definitely short squeezing, retail driven. But it's starting to look pretty weak and bearish. So if you guys are still up, don't be afraid to hit the sell button. I think going long is a pretty bad idea at the moment. You're probably going to get burned. And going short appears to be a pretty good play. Still, there is a decent amount of risk, but as long as you keep holding and you can withstand the upside pressure, this should pull back pretty significantly, and you should be able to make a lot of money here on the downside. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today, and good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is SNTG Sentage Holdings. Alright, so, yep, that's all the TA. It is now 5:54, so doing pretty decent on time. I said 2 hours, it's like 2.5 hours, so, yep, that's all the TA. Good stuff. Are you guys still here? No one's chatting. I think most people left. That's the boring part. We haven't done actual TA in a minute. Alright, 2 viewers, 9 likes, so most people are gone. That's right, don't know who's still here, but appreciate you guys. You guys are real ones.
I appreciate you.
So last order of business, let's do one more scan, and then let's finish up with the Yolos here. I still don't see anything. Alright, nothing happening aftermarket. Cool. So just let me pull up the Yolos, and we'll finish up the show here. And, we'll probably just run through these. No, don't want to... I'm going for a while here, and there's not too many people, so we'll just, yeah, we'll try to get through this kind of quick. Alright, loading up. Yeah, MMATTA, now we hear Ty. I'm listening to TA. I guess we need to drop some teaching videos for beginners on how to identify trends in the graphic outreach. Okay, so about that, I do have a lot of educational content on Patreon, if you guys want to support me. That's where the learning stuff is. See, I did used to drop educational stuff on here for free. Problem is, nobody watches it. People ask for it, I do it, nobody watches it. So I still do have some educational stuff here, but yeah, the learning stuff is really for Patreon. And I spend a lot of time on that, and no one watches it anyway. And no one, this is what I noticed. A lot of people don't even want to learn. They just want to know what plays to go into. Just tell me how to make money. Just tell me what to do. Go long, go short, which stock. Nobody actually wants to learn this stuff, which is a huge problem. So I have done it before. It just, no one watches it. And, yeah, I'm going to save the educational stuff for Patreon. We got level 1, beginner stuff. Level 2 is like TA, and level 3 is options. So maybe when I get more popular and people actually watch the videos, then I'll make it for free. But yeah, for now it's on Patreon. And plus, it's very technical and boring, Nobody wants to hear me read a chart. People just want to know, moon or what? Is it going to moon? Yes? Awesome. No? Dislike. Or maybe drop some videos with clickbait on how to trade during bear market. Yeah, you short, but then nobody wants to short. I'm not much of a clickbaiter. I don't like clickbaiting. I keep it honest here. I'm not a pumper. I don't make my money from YouTube. I make my money from trading and running my company. So, while other people have an incentive to say whatever the hell they want for the views and the subs, I keep it real here. So, that's probably why Rara Coco says all this crazy stuff. He probably doesn't even believe it, but he just makes money from YouTube. So he says whatever he wants to say. He says whatever you need to hear. Pick some stocks with utmost ticks on StockTwits and throw some videos out. That's what I do. That's always what I do. Dude, I pick the hot stocks. But then lately, the past couple of weeks, there have been no hot stocks. Everything's just been good. So, but yeah, I always do that, dude. That's like every video. Going on StockTwits, picking them out. I say it's gonna crash, and then I get disliked, and then it crashes, and then crickets, right? Everyone commenting, idiot, you don't know what you're talking about, blah 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 blah. I'll be back next week to tell you you're wrong. It crashes. Then what? Crickets, right? Those are the dumb apes. Anyway. Okay. Let's finish up here. So today we got 12 YOLOs. This should be fun. A lot of memes. And some ridiculous lost cord. And some gain coin as well. Good stuff today. We're not going to spend too much time here. Because it is getting late. So we'll try to run through this. But this is some good content. This should be fun. Let's do it, guys. First one by M. Kinsey. They are the same picture. So here we got J. Powell. Licking his tongue. Getting ready to F the market. And here we got, you guys know who this is, right? Johnny Sims. Famous corn star. Famous corn star. Yep, it is the same thing. Everyone getting F'd here. Except we're getting F'd by this guy every single day. Well, you bulls are. You apes are, not me. But yep. Accurate representation. Let's see here. Gotta admit, I was much more interested in learning being a bear than a bull. Yeah, well, see, the thing is, the people on this forum are okay with bears, but most of the retail absolutely hates bears, which is stupid to me, because why would you not learn how to be a bear? Like, why would you not just learn to expand your skills, right? Even if you don't rainbow bear all the time, why would you not learn about it and know how to do it? So in situations where it's a good play, you can do it. But no, these dumb apes, these dumb bulls are like, these stupid shorts, go to hell, blah 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 blah. See, the bears don't have problems with bulls. The bulls have problems with bears. Bears are like, hey, there's plenty to eat. Everyone can eat. Bulls are like, these damn bears. But yes, you know, people who come to the dark side, who want to learn on this channel, it is interesting to you and them, but most people most people don't even want to learn how to be a bear. It's really sad. Famous doctor, a teacher, astronaut, and every character you can possibly imagine. All right, let's continue here. This is by Zuck This Ass. I use the inflation to destroy the inflation. So, yep. Majority of Americans back new stimulus checks to combat inflation. Makes sense, right? So, everyone's hurting. Inflation. So, why don't we supplement our pockets? $1,000. And inflation goes up, what, another 5%? See, this is for, like, dumb people who just don't understand. Or just, like, poor people who need money now. So, this will put a Band-Aid over the problem, but the bleeding's going to get worse. So, no, we should not get new stimulus checks. I mean, I personally don't care. I'm chilling. But this is going to be really bad, and people just don't know what they're talking about. Typical apes. I'm all for it, but probably not going to happen. And it's actually not good in the long term. Alright, by The Very Big Apple. For sale, barely used, trading account included. Alright, so we always joke about these damn monitors. You guys know that I say if you have more than 3 monitors, you're probably losing money. There's no reason why you need 11 monitors here. What the hell is this? What's even on the screen? Charts? Of what? Bruh. Yeah, pretty funny because, you know, as someone who does this professionally and who I can trade on my toilet when I'm taking a crap, and I can outmake everyone who has like 10 monitors. It's just really sad, you know. It's all flexing. There's no damn way you need this many monitors. You're probably a losing trader if you have this many. So I know it's a joke, but it's true. If you see anyone with more than 4 monitors, they're probably a losing trader, and they just wasted money on equipment. All right, by Ka19, bulls projecting right now in cloud. All right, this is so true. This is so true. I love this. I'm telling you, The Fed will announce a pivot next week. Bears are effed. Yep, this is all the apes, all the bulls. Pivot. Again, where is this pivot nonsense coming from? I really don't know. There ain't no damn pivot, bro. The Fed did not say they're going to pivot. But yeah. Pivot next week. Bears are effed. SPX 360. It's not 360 anymore, but I think it was it before. What is it now? $376. So almost there, but yeah. These bulls, these apes are so delusional. Yes, Robert Hoko, one of them. And yeah, this is me. This is me, just chilling here. Big brain. You sure? Yep. I'm effed, right? I'm so desperate. I'm so scared. That's why I made $3,000 today, right? Man, I love me some delusional bulls, some delusional apes. Yep, it's all projection. They're all bag holders. They're all bag holders. Everyone on StockTwits is a bag holder. So, yeah, you want to be this guy. You want to be this guy. Must be watching Raul Coco on these monitors. On those monitors. No, he has a job, doesn't he? He's a nurse. But probably all his followers and stuff has the monitors. Yeah, probably him too. It's all for flex. No professional trader uses that many monitors. It's absolutely crazy. Like I said, I could sit on the toilet and trade on my phone and make more money than these damn apes with all these monitors. Okay. This is by Degenerate RR. Finally profitable. Ignore the middle there. All right, so what a graph. What a graph. So, so all year he was down quite a bit. And at the low he was at 36K. Damn. But somehow, from the grace of God or luck or whatever, the guy ran it back up, and he's actually in the green now. 45K. And I'm not exactly sure what he did here, because I would assume options, but the graph doesn't really look like it, to be honest. Yeah, I really don't know what he did here, but I'm glad. Actually, you know what? No, I think it's options. I think it's options. He probably dug himself a hole, and he got lucky and dug himself out. Can't really say for sure, though. But hey, what a roller coaster. I'm glad you made it back, and, just chill out, dude. Just chill out. This could have went really bad, and it turned out the best way possible. Bro, must be SPY puts? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. SPY puts. Or puts on something, at least. So, yes, this must have been very stressful. And this is not typical. Usually the apes blow up their account, but I'm glad it worked out. And, yeah, congrats, man. Just, make smart decisions. Be safe. Congrats on your game. Very well done. Let's see. It doesn't even say. Oh, combination of Tesla puts, QQQ puts. Yeah. Oh, Tesla puts, QQQ puts, SPY calls. Take a guess at what burned me. So, no, it's SPY calls, but Tesla puts, QQQ puts. So he probably bought SPY calls while he got wrecked, and back here he made on QQQ and Tesla, and those have been going down a lot. All right, makes sense. Yeah, so I don't recommend this, guys. Don't day trade options. That is absolutely nuts. Absolutely nuts. But yeah, like I said, this guy got lucky, and I'm glad. But yeah, just chill out, dude. Just chill out. This could have went really bad. This turned out well. But if you keep doing it, probably gonna go bad again. But yeah, whatever. Congrats to you, dude. All right, next one by Environmental Ice 516, around 600% on SPY puts. Yeah, so I hope this guy sold. I sure hope this guy sold. I hope this guy sold. So we got, don't know how many, but SPY puts expiring today. Super FDs. And he was up 15K. But then SPY ripped to the upside again. And it actually finished out of the money. So this was 15K, 600%. I don't know what it's at now. Yeah, I hope he sold. I sure hope he sold. So either he made some fat tendies or he lost everything. Imagine this went to 0, bruh. So I really can't say. At the moment, this was a great play. I hope he sold. But yeah, crazy day today, and he may have lost everything. He did not comment. So usually when you made money, you comment like, I sold, you know, I escaped. But he didn't say anything. So I'm kind of assuming that he lost everything. I don't know. So this was some pretty epic gain cord, but who knows? It could have. Who knows how it ended? I sure hope he sold, but this could have went to 0. So epic gain cord, possibly epic loss cord as well. Who knows? So I like an update. I like an update. So congrats for the moment, but I like an update. I sold my puts early on Wednesday FML. Yeah, dude, that's how it goes. But as long as you're green, you're good. All right. By Mika Sal's The Best Waifu. Self-trained in autism. 1 million Canadian ASTS YOLO. Max margin, 22 years old. Either Lambo or shopping cart. Mansion or homeless. Perhaps a woman will finally talk to me if this works out. You're a millionaire and you can't get a woman, dude? What the hell? Is he trolling? Alright, first of all, a lot of things here. What the hell is a 22-year-old doing with $1 million? Where'd you get that from? Daddy? I don't think Daddy would be happy if you found out you're YOLOing $1 million of his money. Yo, these kids are too privileged for their own good, I swear. I had to make... Bro. So... and yes, about the woman, I hope that's a troll. If you're a millionaire and you can't get a woman, what's wrong with you, bro? So... so he said it here himself. 1 million YOLO, max margin, so I guess he's in for 500k, and then he's another 500k in margin? Hey, dude, I hope it works out. ASTS did go up today, so he's in the green, but it is a meme stock, so Diamond Hands is not the way here. You should probably sell soon, dude. Ridiculous play. Don't do this, guys, by the way. Don't ever use margin. And especially max margin. That's the dumbest thing. It goes on a little bit, you get margin called. So, actually, it went down in the beginning, right? So we could have got margin called and it ripped back to the upside. That'd be pretty hilarious. So I don't know how this is, well, it says here he was down 70k at the moment. I don't know, dude. So, yeah, epic post. Epic YOLO. Look at all those awards. But highly, highly stupid. Don't do this, guys. And I have a feeling this is going to go really bad. I have a feeling this is going to go really, really bad. Oh, full story. He was trading since he was 20. His parents are broke. They live in a bad apartment. He turned 70k. How'd you get 70k, dude? 70k is poor? Turned 70k in $500,000. 70k years of working part-time plus summers. He saved 7... So he's not poor. Bruh. Something is up here. Something is wrong here. Borrowing money from my brother plus government. November 2021. Bad YOLOs made $500,000. $500,000 turned back into 70k. Alright, so this guy's a Bill Wong. This guy's literally Bill Wong. This guy's just bloated up on margin. He's levered to the tits. This is not going to end well. This is not going to end well at all. Oh my god. This guy's a super degenerate, bro. Alright, guys, don't do this. This is great for the forum. You know, Wall Street Bets, typical ape here. But this is very stupid. Don't do this. This guy's gonna get wrecked. If not now, eventually he's gonna get wrecked. Life of a gambler. So, yeah, I don't know what's at now. I think it's up. ASTS went up today. So, dude, don't be stupid. Hit the sell button. Don't be stupid. If you Diamond Hands, I promise you, this is a meme stock. If you Diamond Hands, this will go to 0. So, maybe not 0, but you will get margin called. Anyway, epic YOLO here. I hope it works out, but this is stupid. And, I have a really bad feeling about this. But no matter what, it's going to be epic, loss cord, or gain cord. So, Mika Sal's the best waifu. Thanks for posting. You are insane. I'm rooting for you, but I don't know. I got a bad feeling. But no matter what happens, please post an update. I want to see how this goes. It's going to be epic either way. Loaded up on puts for next week. Let's see. 1 million with max margin. That's effed up. It is effed up. This is also effed up here. So, by Heathens to the max. Throw up emoji. Alright, we don't need to see that. But, oh wow, that's what happened. Yeah. So this guy went, this guy went $1 million into Meta. at 340, dude. At 342. Bruh. Oh my god. This is disgusting.
And it's gone.
And he diamond-handed till now. So he had this is so effed up. I shouldn't be laughing. But he had $4 million. And now he lost 3 million, 2.9 million. So he only has 1 million left, which he's still a rich guy, but oh my god, dude.
And it's gone.
There goes all your generational wealth. Well, 1 million is still good, but what the hell? Who throws $4 million into Meta at the high, bro? That wow. Okay. No words. So, yeah. Buy high, sell low. That's the motto. So he has no words, I have no words. This is disgusting. And it wasn't even like that bad of a play. Like, who would have thought? He's probably just like, diamond hands Meta. It'll come back and just keeps going down. So yeah, head into the max. I feel for you, dude. I usually don't feel for people making bad plays, but this wasn't even that bad. You just got kind of unlucky. I guess the biggest problem is you didn't diversify. You should have diversified. And instead you went all in Meta. So, you know, rough stuff. Down 3 million, but you're still a millionaire. Still very fortunate. More money than most people in the world. So you'll be okay. I don't know what to do here. I guess diamond hands. You know, just hodl and write it off on your taxes. Eventually. I think that's the best play. Anyway, epic loss cord. Wow. Alright, by DJK1812. And it's gone.
And it's gone.
I set a new personal high score last Friday, only for it to all disappear in a week. I'll see you guys again when I save up a couple $1,000. I will be back. I'm sticking to SPY weeklies next time. Meme stock weeklies have brought me nothing but pain. How about you stop with the FDs in general? He's gonna come back and still blow up his account. That would do it. GME calls. Yep. GME FDs. That would do it. How much did you lose here? 50. All right. Yep. That would do it. That would do it. This is totally stupid. So I don't know how he made all the money. But he proceeded to YOLO his entire account into GME FDs. 570 calls. $50 strike. So, yes. Yeah, that would do it. So, don't YOLO your entire account on FDs, guys. I think that's fairly obvious, right? I guess not. Here comes the siren. Gonna talk over it. My apologies. So, yeah, this guy's totally... This is totally this guy's fault. I do not feel bad at all. This is just insanely stupid. And then what are you gonna do when you made more money? You're gonna it's like a parlay, and then you're gonna take that money and YOLO your entire account again until you blow it up. Bro. So clearly this guy has not learned anything. He thinks that switching to SPY is gonna solve his problems. Like, nah, bro. Chill with FDs. Anyway. So, yeah, not much to say here. Totally stupid. Totally stupid. The guy deserves it. So, DJK1812. Thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Not really. Totally your fault. I don't feel bad at all. Your fault. Take responsibility. And sure, dude, I guess come back with a couple $1,000 and try your weeklies, but I guarantee you it's not going to work. It's you. It's... Be better, dude. But, hey, regardless, epic loss cord. So, you know, we appreciate you. Alright, 3 more. By Napa Nose. Fun ride trading 0 day to expiration index options. So, more SPY, I'm assuming. Yep. See? This... You dumb apes see this all the time. It looks like Batman. You dumb apes see this all the time. And for some reason, you think that when you do it, it's going to work. I don't know, bro. This is crazy. So, I'm not sure what he did, but it seems like SPY calls and puts. Probably calls. And we have the Batman indicator here. The Batman indicator. Now it's a head and shoulders, which is bearish. TA on his bank on his account here. So yeah, down 35K in one day. Oh my god. Down 35K in one day, but he actually ran it up to 210K. And now he's back down to 65K. So actually, overall, he's still up, which is crazy. So yeah, so still net gain, 6-month net change, 17K. See, I made more than that shorting. I made 22K in 2 months. Not using options. So yes, guys, chill with the options. This is so ridiculous. I'm Batman, yeah. So yeah, Napa knows, thanks for posting. This is pretty impressive. But you got too greedy. You should have cashed out. But you're still ahead, so at least there's that. But hey, maybe you should just chill out with the options, because you will blow up your account if you keep doing this. But hey, thanks for posting, Epic Lost Corn. Good luck to you. Bro, GME's dog poop? Yeah, so is a lot of other stuff. So is every meme stock. GME, AMC, Clover, Bed Bath & Beyond, whatever. AVCT, Mullen, whatever. BBIG, XCLA, all trash. MMAT. But, hey. Apes never learn. It's crazy. People just love to lose money. All right, by This Isn't Daryl, 93. Down and out real bad. Where do I go from here? All right, so options deleted me. Started using them, and man, does it hurt. GME, AMD, Tesla, Chegg, plug. Okay. So some of these are legit. But yeah, GME, plug, nah, bro. Chegg, nah, bro. So yeah, down 34K. Blew up his whole account.
And it's gone.
I don't get it. Why do these dumb apes keep blowing up their account on FDs? You are not a genius. You apes are not geniuses. You think you can beat... You see this over and over, and then... I don't know, bro. I have no words. It's hilarious, but sad at the same time. Just like... You can't feel bad. These apes do it to themselves. So yes, even if you have legit options and legit stocks, AMD, Tesla, it can't go wrong. So, very dangerous stuff. So where do you go from here? I got you, dude. You go back to McDonald's. Go back here. Go back here, behind the Wendy's, by the dumpster. I'll meet you there. Got $20 for you. Options are too risky? Yeah. What you should... See, if you're going to play options, you guys should sell options, not buy options. Selling options works long term. I used to sell a lot of options, but I have since transitioned into rainbow bearing. But those are the two things that always worked for me. Selling options and short selling. Just selling in general. Being a bear in general works long term. Well, no. Selling options works long term. Buying options works short term. Short selling works short term, and buying and holding works long term. Anyway, moral of the story, don't buy options, guys. If you do, invest what you can afford to lose. Gamble what you can afford to lose. So, yeah, this isn't Daryl 93. Sorry for your loss, not really. Totally your fault. Chill with the options, dude. Where do you go from here? Go get a job. Come back. Do it the right way. All right, last one. By I Come to See Osama. I hope I don't get banned for that. 2021. I'm done. I can't do this poop anymore. All right. All right. This is ironic because I just said to sell options, right? And this guy sells options and he's getting wrecked here. So, okay. Yeah. Okay, so I have to say, so yeah, when you do sell options, this can happen. So yeah, he sold 7 puts, cash secured puts, AMC, $10 strike, December 16th. So when you sell puts, it's good because if it stays above the strike, you collect a premium. If it goes below the strike, then you have to buy at the strike. So what's AMC at now? 5? 6? Oh my god, this is terrible. 5, 6, yeah, we'll just call it 570. So it's at 570, and he has to buy this at $10. Oh my god. So he's down 45%. Because he has to buy he has to buy 700 shares at $10. This is insane. So the right idea. He had the right idea, but unfortunately, yeah, he's down 27k. But you know, it's not all bad because at least you can diamond hands. You can hold. AMC will have its day again, you know, whenever the next meme mania is. So this isn't also bad. It is right now. So this is the downside of selling options. If it goes way below your strike, then you have to buy at the strike. But yeah, at this point, you know, it's actually not that bad. You can just dive in hands, and probably in a couple of months, AMC will moon again during the next meme mania, and when it does, hit the sub button. But yeah, so this one I actually do feel bad for because this isn't. I do approve of this strategy. Cash secured puts, covered calls. Just got really unlucky. But yeah, at least they're shares, not options. Well, at least you're gonna buy shares, not options. So if anything, just dive in hands to make your money back. So yeah, this is pretty rough, but you'll be okay, dude. You'll be okay. So yeah, don't want to say the name again. Sorry for your loss. Hang in there, diamond hands. Hit the sub button next meme mania. All right, that's it, guys. That's the show for today. So we went 2 hours 25 minutes. So a very, very long show. This whole couple of weeks we've been going hour and a half, even 1 hour yesterday. So yeah, a lot of content here today. Really good show. I think everyone's gone already, but yeah, appreciate everyone who's still here. And last order of business, let's do one more scan and let's get out of here. I don't think there's anything going on though. Yep, nothing going on. All right, so that's it, guys. Cool, good stuff. Great day in the market today. Even as Rainbow Bear, I printed some fat tennies. Hopefully, what is that? Why is the moon up there? So hopefully next week, more tendies. More tendies. All right, cool. Thank you guys for joining me today. Hope you enjoyed. Great show. I will put out the TA video, SNTG and HUDI either tonight or tomorrow. Haven't had to edit in a minute. But yep, thank you guys for the show. Great show. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll catch you guys back here next week, Monday, and on Discord. All right. All right, peace out, Koya. Let's get out of here. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend, everybody. Peace out.